Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get hiring on roblox. First of all, go to marketplace. In marketplace, you have to choose uh, add and choose add. Now you can scroll down a bit. You will get this I ad here, but you have to scroll on and somewhere it should be. So in that, uh, or you can search for it if you want. I saw it somewhere, so let me search it. I. I can click on recently created and I can go to that form. For see, let's see, there is the I wing. It must be there somewhere. Must be somewhere there. So don't worry, guys. I'll give you the link in the description. Just a minute. Let me. Yeah. So by using this keyword, you can get it. Hiring. Click on it. So you can get this item for 50 Robux, but it was earlier free. So I also missed the opportunity to get it free. But you can, if you want to really get it, then you can spend 50 Robux. So yeah, hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Or you can try this out, how it looks. Let me try this. So this is the animated piece. So yeah, it looks looking amazing, guys. And it gives you a headless look. As you can see, it gives you a headless look. Kind of amazing. So thanks for watching.